Addition theorem of probability. In this section, we will learn about the addition theorem of probability. The addition theorem states that if A1, A2, Aj up to An are n mutually exclusive events, the probability that at least one event of these will occur is the sum of their probabilities. However, if A and B are two events which are not necessarily mutually exclusive, then probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, where A union B indicates either elements of A and B. A intersection B indicates all elements A and B simultaneously. Let us consider an example. A newspaper vendor delivers two newspapers X and Y to houses in a big locality. 80% of the houses are his customers, while 60% of the houses receive paper X, 45% receive paper Y. Let's determine the percent of houses that purchase both the newspapers. Let A and B respectively denote the events that a house receives X and Y. Then probability of A is 0.6 and probability of B is 0.45 and probability of A union B is 0.8. By addition theorem, probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Substituting the values, 0.8 is equal to 0.6 plus 0.45 minus probability of A intersection of B, which is equal to 0.6 plus 0.45 minus 0.8 is equal to 0.25. Thus 25% of the houses receive both newspapers. The addition theorem can be generalized for more events.